Here we are in historic Baltimore Harbor in Maryland. If you look across the harbor, you can actually see a submarine that's docked there, and that's the Torsk. The Torsk sank the last two Japanese vessels during World War II. And actually, over here on the left is the USS Constellation, and the Constellation was part of a squadron charged with the mission of intercepting vessels that were engaged in illegal slave trade, and that ship alone saved over 4,000 people from illegal slave trade from Africa. But that's actually not why we're here today. Now, if we come over here and take a look at this statue, this is a statue of William Donald Schaefer, who my good friend Scott tells me was the comptroller for a number of years, and he did some other stuff. I don't know. Apparently he was a very important Baltimore governor. The governor. Sounds like he was the governor. But the reason I bring you here today is to talk about chemical weathering. I know we've talked about statues probably in class at this point to some degree, but if you take a look at the statue, you're going to notice kind of a bronzish, kind of brown, copper kind of tone, like kind of color there. But for the most part, you don't see a lot of green. So what I'd like to take from looking at this statue is that there's not a whole lot of chemical weathering yet, and what that tells me is it just hasn't been out here that long. So if we look a little carefully down here towards the bottom, get out of the light, you can kind of see a little bit of green. So this is a little bit of oxidation, and that's an example of chemical weathering as opposed to physical weathering. And again, not much of that going on here, but we do see just a little bit of green, which indicates that this copper is actually turned to copper oxide.